Hi everybody, good evening to all. What we are going to see now, nature of philosophy. Nature of philosophy. Philosophy is a set of views or beliefs about life and the universe, which are often held uncritically. Okay, and philosophy is a process of reflecting on and criticizing our most deeply held conceptions and beliefs. Philosophy is a rational attempt to look at the world as a whole. Philosophy is the logical analysis of language and the clarification of the meaning of words and concepts. Philosophy is a group of perennial problems that interest people and for which philosophers always have sought answers. Thank you.